Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I've got part 2 and 3, I think, of my unboxing. I'll just put them together. I guess we can start out with one of the big ones. I've got this going on down here. It is the Greddy SP exhaust catback. I got new hangers because I was missing a couple, so I got new hangers for it. And then I don't know if you can see here, I'll go around. I've got, there we go, 17.5 inches where the cat's supposed to go. So instead of the cat, sorry, I am sorry about the fucking messy ass garage. Oh, sneak peek, sorry about that one. I got a Blocks Racing telescoping test pipe. And I'm hoping to get that installed tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. But I think that was it for that unboxing. Was that it? Yeah. Anyways, if I remember all. But this is the second one. MPC Motorsports. I do already have their motor mount hardware in gold. So my theme long term is going to be black and gold. So I got this gold oil cap. It's pretty sweet. Real high quality, heavy duty stuff. I got the hardware for my alternator, which you'll never see it, but flexing. These are all the hardware for the transmission. So when I get the clutch and master and slave cylinder put in, I'm gonna have the guy put these in for me. This one. These are the top hats. Totally slipped my mind that I'm gonna need 4 of them, so there will be 2 more on the way. I don't know if these are extended top hats, they're extended versions. So, I don't know if I'll do, because of the backs, you don't even see them. So I might just do black regular height ones. Or do gold regular height ones, I don't know yet. And then last but not least, I've got, here, let's get in the light. Oh, that's real fucking bright. These are the wiper cowl pieces. I got them in black because my intake is yellow Kevlar carbon fiber. And I think black would look better than gold on yellow Kevlar. That's what I'm gonna do for that. Yeah. So hopefully I can get this guy in tomorrow and get the exhaust welded on. I got the oil leak. Yep, still dripping oil. Yeah, where's the camera? Still dripping oil. But I think it's coming from under, yep, underneath that crank pulley. So when I switched the timing belt and switched the front main seal, the crankshaft seal, I think I screwed it up. So when I get the muffler put on, I'm gonna have them check that out and see if they can't help me fix that too. I'm going through Choice Automotive up here in the Quad Cities. Been real big help. Yeah, that should be it for a little bit. I'll do before and after the sound of the exhaust. And I still am planning on doing a giveaway. So have your friends subscribe and stay tuned. I know they're not the best videos, but I'll get better at it. And then when it gets nice out, we can get some better shots of everything. So stay tuned for the exhaust sounds before and after. And yeah, have a good new year. Thanks.